Okay. So people have asked to see what the projects look like. The last quarter, a lot of people thought it would be helpful to see what our projects look like. So first I'm going to do the in-class one, the one we do together. So this one, it's called Tech Reviews. It has a menu across the top here. The first page just says that it's Tech Reviews. If I click on Products, it will show me a list of the different products. If I click on a product, it will give me details about that product. So there's basically a basic list and then details for each of those. There are also some forms. There's an add form. We've set it up so that you cannot enter it unless you log in. So I am going to do Steve and password. Not entirely sure that's my username here. So let me do Steve _ Conger at SSW0RD1. What is it not like? All right. So I'm not getting anything in here. SSW0RD1. I don't know what the login is, which will cut this kind of short. Why is it not giving it to me? It lets me in there. All right, so we're going to try. This is the admin, by the way. We're also going to be there. And the users are Steve. So that actually should work. Why is it not working? I'm going to add another. I'm going to hook it in again. So I'm going to do the reviews. All right, so theoretically, so we got the products. We can look at those and get the things. So I'm going to click on Add Products, which now I'm logged in, so it will allow me to do that. So let's do a new product. We'll call it, we'll say a Dell desktop. The type is a desktop. The user will be Steve. The entry date will be today. And I will add, so it's 0401 URL, which is optional, but I'm going to put one in there. www.dell.com. Product description. Just say powerful desktop computer. So I'm going to save that. When I go back to products, you'll see that it is down there and it's been done, and if we click on it, it will have the other details. Now if I log out, when I go back to the products, it'll ask me to log in, and I cannot add another product until I've logged in. Okay, so that is the one we're doing in class. Sorry about the confusion at the start. I do not know why it didn't let me log in. So I am going to go back to Visual Studio Code. I am going to kill the server. And I'm going to go open up the one that's for the assignments. So I'm going to do File, Open Folder, and I'm going to go to the Python Club. I'm going to do OK. And I'm hoping that everything is here for the Python Club. I'm going to run the server, and we'll go back to the web page. But instead of new product here, I am going to new club. So all of the assignments that we're working on are going to go towards building this website. So I can look, and there's a list of meetings. Again, the meetings have a detail. There are lists of resources. I can add a new meeting. Again, it asks me to log in. I'm assuming that it's the same. It allows me in there. I can give a meeting date. So let's do 2019 04-01. Time, we'll say, is 1400 hours, which is 2 in the afternoon. First meeting, spring. For the agenda, just say set the activities for spring quarter. And again, I can save that. When I look at meetings, there is that. And when I look at it, it gives me the details. I can add a resource. I can add minutes. I can log in, which we're already logged in, but I can also log out. If I log out, when I go here again, for these, I have to log in. Login's required to add things in a form. So this is what our project should look like at the end. All right, so I am going to kill the video. It is not as coherent as I had hoped, but so I have to find where the thing is to kill it. So